We's in the air with my cash. Do this all the time. Right? Come back, know where you can run, baby. I know where you can run, baby. You can run, baby. With some kind of run, baby. I'ma get some, baby. I'ma get you some, baby. Feeling like rich, ain't shit trash. Fucking with the clear, man. Getting with the clear, man. Song goes. This is feel like. I'm freaking. Paper just ain't for sure, baby. Gotta let these haters know, gotta let these haters know. Stay sweet for me. Stay sweet, stay sweet, stay sweet. Girl, stay sweet, stay sweet, stay.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to come.
Good morning, you guys. So I'm in my car. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. You guys, it is pouring. It is legit pouring. And it's crazy because I was in my bed and like it was actually raining like harder than what it is now. And I was dead like, yeah, I'm staying home. Like, I don't want to be out here traveling. I was making all these excuses as to why I shouldn't get up and go to the gym. What are you honking for? First of all, your lights are not even on, sir. Like, you have other things you need to be worried about. So, yeah. I was just like, I don't wanna go. Like, I just wanted to stay in bed. I'm tired. But yeah, so I was just like, I just laid in bed. Like, I was like, I'm not gonna go. But then like something just clicked and it was just like, so you mean to tell me that your goals are on hold today? Like, can you afford to have your goals on hold today? You can have what it is you want tomorrow, but you're not gonna have it tomorrow if you keep laying in the bed. So I hope whatever it is that you're supposed to be doing today, that you're doing it, unless like you're sick or something like that, you know, stay home, rest up. But if it's just, I just want to sleep, I don't feel like it, get up and do it. I don't care if you don't feel like it. And for those who like are just like getting into the gym and stuff like that, if you've been seeing like people say like, oh, motivation is not gonna keep you in the gym, whatever, blah blah blah, they're right. Because today motivation was not it. What motivation? It was on. Okay, this is where discipline and consistency come in. Have that discipline, be consistent, and get your ass up. The gym is practically empty, y'all. Empty gym is the best. Like, I'd be waiting for machines too long. Don't gotta worry about everybody all up in your business. So, I'm super excited.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle.
Y'all, like, it is. Look at the damn profiles. Like, this is crazy. You can legit go swimming in this. All right, I made it back in the. What the heck is going on? My lights are flickering. I don't know what's going on. Spirit, is that you? Anyways, so y'all, it is pouring outside. Like, when I say I'm wet, like I'm about to get up out of all this whatnot. But I had a good workout. I was able to record some stuff for you guys. So I got a little bit. I didn't record everything that I did because, like I said, it's like hard to, not impossible, but it is hard. And I feel like I get like the best workout when I'm not filming or worrying about trying to like film. But I did a little 1-2. I'm happy I did. Now I'm about to take a shower. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. And y'all, look at this. Yo, I just been cutting myself. I don't even know how that happened. I peeped it when I got out my car. I think when I was trying to like close my umbrella, I think that's how that happened. But whatever. Oh yeah, I'm about to take a shower, and I was gonna wash my hair, but I think I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. I won't hold y'all. I'm probably gonna take a nap. Maybe. I always say I'm gonna take a nap, and sometimes like I don't take a nap. But you guys will see. If I do something, I will try to record. But if not, I will see you guys mañana. Yeah. So yeah, let me go take this shower and just wind down, and yeah, I will get at you guys later.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you deal with your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been.
Anyway, this is me speaking hypothetically, because as soon as I decide to take them kids' sauce. Decisions.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you in there.
Hey guys, so I am finally back home. Work was really good today, like very good today. I had a great day. This is a great start to the month. I think October is gonna be amazing, but I'm about to down this, y'all. I love kombucha. Kombucha or kombucha? I think it's kombucha, but this one is the gingerberry. This is one of my favorites. My favorite one is the watermelon one. The watermelon flavor, y'all, get it. It's so good. But this is like my second one. Anything with ginger, honestly, I love ginger. Haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you always know when I drop new content. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.